Hello my crypto people and welcome back to another episode of the Daily Crypto News, and today I have some exciting crypto news to share with you all. So make sure that you press that like button. I know a majority of you guys are already doing that, but still, let me quickly say, make sure you press that like button and let's get right into it. So first of all, this is going absolutely trending over on Twitter, and I've actually had one of my best friends send me a text just now asking me if this is real. So XRP The Standard Productions posts something on Twitter and it said, "Has no one read section 4 of the executive order yet?" It reads, Sec 4 Policy and actions related to United States central bank digital currencies. The policy of my administration on a United States CBDC is as follows. Sovereign money is at the core of a well-functioning financial system, macroeconomic stabilization policies, and economic growth. My administration places the highest urgency on research and development efforts into the potential design and deployment options of a United States CBDC. These efforts are best accomplished by utilizing the XRP Ledger, the most decentralized, safe, and proven blockchain platform in the world. By harnessing this technology and the bridge asset XRP, the United States will be able to instantly and seamlessly transact with CBDCs of all nations while avoiding any counterparty risk. We give a hearty thanks to David Schwartz for making such a wonderful tool to usher in the Great Reset. So at first I was just laughing at this and I actually commented that he's starting to get too good, but then I noticed that there's literally too many people who think that this is real. So please, whenever you are checking a Twitter account, just take, 5 seconds to look into exactly what the account is all about. For example, here you'll see it's called Satire, and that's exactly what it is. To move on though guys, we have a ton of breaking news to cover today. Breaking: South Korea's crypto-friendly Yoon Suk-yeol has been elected the country's next president. Let us frickin' go. This is a very bullish announcement, even though I am not going to be involved with this too much, except for the fact that I want to visit South Korea at one point or another. It's just nice to see different parts of the world elect these types of crypto-friendly people, because that's how you get some crazy innovation going. So to this, I'm saying, nice, nice, nice. All right, moving on. Before we actually move on, make sure you press the like button on this video, because why not? The XRP price has broken out today. Will we get confirmation though? This was a tweet I posted a little bit earlier, which reflects the XRP price and the way it is moving right now. You guys all know I'm a crypto hodler. I have a question for you all. Are you as much of a hodler as I am though? It's a good question. Put down below in the comment section if you are a crypto hodler. And a little fun fact, did you know that my AirPods actually say hodl? Did I ever tell you guys about that? Alright, to not get too far away from the topic at hand, the XRP price has actually broken out today. We expected this to happen a little while ago, although we did not know if it was going to be the downside or the upside. Right now, we had a beautiful retest here of the support at about 70 cents. And right now, what the majority of us are expecting was a major bounce at 77 cents. And what just happened here? What just happened here? All jokes aside, whenever I talk about my long positions on XRP, I always mention the golden 0.777 price basically, because that's a point which I've noticed just resists at all the freaking time. Now, if you look at the high, which is seen at this little point, right, you can see that the high was set at about 0.7753, right? I personally think we were pretty spot on yet again. That's like the most critical resistance that XRP has, as we got rejected or bounced off of that again today. However, if we end up closing where we are right now, which there's a high likelihood that we're going to do so, and tomorrow is a bullish day, there's a very good probability that we're going to spike like crazy for the XRP price. Having said that, don't get faked out. The reason people get faked out is because they move on one specific candle. Look back here, right? If you just follow one candle on its own, very often you'll be wrong and you'll lose a lot of money. We have to wait for confirmation, which is going to be the candle afterwards. That's going to decide if we open up a ridiculously juicy, maybe even 1 million XRP long position or not. That's going to be the deciding factor. All right, the reason I'm not doing the cam the whole time is because sometimes it gets a little bit laggy and it's annoying. Now, I wanted to quickly state that I actually just posted my first ever picture on Instagram of me. I have a couple of videos that I took myself that are on there that I think you guys are definitely finding interesting. This one, and these two I took myself. But it's a first picture. Go on, press the like button if you like that. I'll definitely be doing more of that, but it's also another way to interact with you guys a little bit more on a personal level. You know, why not? I'm thinking, so that's pretty cool. All right, then Skybridge Capital founder Scaramucci says $100,000 Bitcoin is within reach as he shares the trajectory for 500K. Very important note here to make is that whenever Bitcoin goes to these levels, which these guys predict, XRP and coins akin to that, just all the altcoins, are most likely going to go on a course of the same nature as well. So if you're not really happy with whatever they say, just understand that it most likely is about the crypto space developing. And so maybe you don't like Bitcoin. Who cares though? If Bitcoin goes up, altcoins go up. Think about it like that. That's the way I always do it. Again, I always remind you guys that I'm not just holding one crypto. I hold a whole basket of things. I personally think it's better that way, like 100 out of 100 times, just have a whole basket of things rather than just one. But I don't really want to go too far into why exactly he thinks so, because I literally do not care. It's very easy to say, we're going to go to 100,000, we're going to go to 500,000 without any real validity to that claim. I just personally expected to get there, and that's enough. You know, that's enough as a base layer. You guys can't hear it, but there's somebody really screaming, and he's like, it's like he's singing, like, ah, da, 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 or something like that. And it's outside even. After due investigation, your very loyal news reporter has found out that it is a man screaming at the metro station, or whatever it is called, like tram station. Then we've all been talking about the freaking executive order from Biden. How are the people reacting to it? Well, generally speaking, I would say everybody is positive because the speech was, or I would say the executive order, was a lot more positive than most anticipated. I saw this and it was quite exciting. U.S. Senator Cynthia Lummis' bill to integrate crypto into the financial system is almost ready. That is going to be a game changer. She tweeted, "It's been a long time coming, but my bill to fully integrate digital assets into our financial system is almost ready. I'm putting the final touches on it with some key advocates and partners in the Senate, but watch out for an unveiling soon." We're all crazy excited about that, and things in the United States right now are coming along. They're coming along, and they're coming along right now, and very nicely. But adding to that, right now is the most important time to connect. If you have any connections or if you want to make some progress, as it says right here, for those of us in the community, in my opinion, the executive order should be viewed as the single biggest opportunity to engage with policymakers on the issues that matters. The proverbial doors of policymakers are wide open. This is now a national conversation in the US. I actually have one more important little thread, or I should say thread, because it's not really that little, by Brad Garlinghouse. Like many of you, I thought Biden admin executive order would acknowledge crypto but not detail specifics on the next steps for regulation. However, I was pleasantly surprised and inspired by the executive order acknowledging the need for evolution and alignment of the government's approach to crypto. First and foremost, this is an affirmation that crypto is here to stay. I agree. The thoughtful policy involves timely input from players, and there's a lot across the federal government. I don't want to mistake activity for progress, but this does feel like it could be a turning point. The White House finally says what we and the industry, wait a minute. All right, we're good to go. Have been saying for years, and if the U.S. wants to maintain its status as a responsible tech leader, it needs to provide a clear regulatory framework for an industry that is exploding in growth right now, aka 40 million Americans and counting, so work your butts. Years of damage done by the SEC siloed regulation by enforcement approach can be undone through collaboration between all agencies. Ripple stands ready to educate and assist. If we are to catch up with the rest of the world, we need prompt and decisive action ASAP. XRP first properly regulated crypto in the US. I can smell it already. It smells like, I don't know, like orchids. That's what it smells like. All right. Give your plant some water today if you haven't done that yet, all right? Again, respect the plant. Oh, there it is. There we go. All right, American billionaire Ken Griffin to offer cryptocurrency services through Citadel Securities. All I wanted to share with this one is that if you're ever thinking, oh, but crypto has this restriction or crypto has this, that, the... Nah, all right? Crypto's going to be everywhere. I keep recounting it. Right now, the executive order is just showcased. There's no leaving this. There's no, well, but crypto's going to fade away again. Crypto's nothing. No. You might be thinking so, and you're wrong. You're wrong. That's just what I have to say about that. You are absolutely wrong. Then again, let that be just my opinion. At the end of the day, I am not a financial advisor. This is purely my own thoughts. But I think you're wrong. All right, let me quickly put it like that. All right, having said that, let's freaking go, man. This was a good day for crypto. Good day for the development of this all, for the space and everything like that. I'm excited. And what this American billionaire is going to change, absolutely freaking nothing. It's just the idea of more and more services that are being created right now. It's always a nice thing to see, but it's not really going to be groundbreaking or anything like that. But that was it right now. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you press the like button and subscribe. And I'll definitely see you guys again in another crypto video later today. Adios, amigos.